In front of me is Nothing Phone 3A Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard. Now hit this microphone at the top right corner. Select while using the app and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. To stop, you can simply pause or click on the same microphone again. But you can also tap on this microphone and then select tiny icon right next to it when it's on. Then hit next and done. Now you can type and delete things on the go. You can also tap on those three lines at the bottom left corner to access all of those settings. To go back to your standard keyboard, hit keyboard icon at the bottom left corner right next to three lines. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!